Hi everyone, welcome back again to Ignitive Trading Hub channel. It's Craig Aso speaking. So in this video I'll be analyzing for the week, which will be for the 3rd until the 7th of June. Please do remember that this week it's NFP, and also I'm dropping this video as you can see that it's Wednesday, because as much as I did the previous week, I had to confirm first before sending you guys or sharing the analysis with you guys, because sometimes I do analyze properly, but the thing is, most of the zones of analysis that I did on Mondays or Tuesday, the price will move further away from the zone and it doesn't come back to trigger. Then I send other setups in the premium group where it's paid mentorship. Then when I post it before and after seeing my timeline, you guys be surprised to that. You send a different analysis on YouTube and stuff. Why is this one different? You see, because I didn't update you guys due to my tight schedule. So I'm doing this video on a Wednesday so that I can give you guys finalized analysis. Okay, so let's get to it without wasting any time. So welcome back again. So currently I'm on Nasdaq. As you can see, I'm on the monthly time frame. So we'll firstly have to determine the initial trend of Nasdaq. So for us to determine the initial trend, we'll have to see where the current market price is coming from. So as you can see, the current market price is here, and you can see the current month has been bullish. It has been bullish. Nasdaq has been bullish for this month, and we want to know why it has been bullish. Where is the price rejecting from? So as you can see, it's rejecting from this monthly demand zone here. As you can see that, you can say that the price is rejecting from this monthly rally based rally demand zone here. As you can see that it just engulfed this bearish candle. So you can see that Nasdaq is bullish on the monthly time frame. As you can see, it has been bullish the past 2-3 months. Okay. So on the weekly time frame, we also have to determine where is it coming from, where the current market price is rejecting from. So as you can see, this week has been bullish on Nasdaq. Why is it bullish? We want to know why. It's because price is rejecting from this level here. As you can see, the price was going up, but we will not notice that there's an activity going on here. As you can see, the price continued going up, engulfed this significant supply here. As you can see, we do have a significant supply around this area. Price engulfed this significant supply, came back as a swap zone whereby supply is turning to demand. As you can see, the price has been moving to the upward side. So we can say that Nasdaq is bullish on the monthly and the weekly time frame. So after that, you can go to your daily time frame to look for fresh daily demand zone. Look for fresh daily demand zone. So in that case, this will be our first fresh daily demand zone option. Then this will be our second here. Let me use this tool here. This is the first option. As you can see, that we had a drop base rally here. Price continued going up from another drop base rally with this week's here, then continued going up. Then you can also say that we have a drop base rally with an engulf from this bearish candle here. So yeah, so after that, you have to refine your zones. So in this case, we'll firstly start with the one in the yellow box, which is the first option, because the objective is to catch the zones that are closer to the current market price. So in that case, we'll keep opening the smaller time frames to see where our zone is. So as you can see, I do see a drop base rally demand zone here within our daily demand zone. As you can see, we had a drop base rally, price came to react and left another fresh zone, continue going up. Okay, so that's our first option, demand zone. Then so on the second daily demand zone, which is this, let me change the color, which is within this red lines here, which means this area here is our second option demand zone, which was below. So in that case, you can also mark a demand zone in that area, because I did see it. So as you can see, we do have a drop base rally demand zone here around this area, just in case this one fails. So you can see that we do have two demand zones in our chart. This is the first option, this is the second option. but I highly doubt this one will hold for a long period because it's in the middle of the range. As you can see, it's in the middle on the range. Usually the zones that hold for a longest period is the ones that are causing reversals in price, okay, which we call them the origin of the moves. When I say the origin of the move, I say that it is the origin, or it is the cause of this upward movement here, this whole bullish movement from this level. It's because of this broad base rally demand zone, okay. Unlike this one here, it's in the range, so it's likely to hold the price for a short period, then come back to this area here. So and so I say you must have these two as your options. Your objective is to manage your risk properly. Do not risk your whole capital. At least you can have a chance of entering again here. Nasdaq is very volatile. So then from there you can go to another pair. So currently I'm on US30. So US30, let me check. So US30, we're on the monthly time frame, as you can see. So also have to determine the initial trend on US30. So as you can see, I started on the monthly time frame, and you can see that US30 current month has been bullish. Okay, as you can see, it's, the current month is bullish. So we want to know why is it going up. So the reason why it's going up is because the price is rejecting from this rally based rally demand zone here. Price came to react for the first time, and as you can see, it has been bullish. Then we can also see that the price just engulfed this supply zone here. As you can see, the price broke out of it here this week, so which means the price is still going up on US30. Then on the weekly time frame, you can also see that the price is rejecting from this weekly demand zone here. As you can see, we had a broad base rally demand zone with a strong move. Price came to react for the first time, came to react for the second time. As you can see, it's rejecting to the upward side. Okay, so we can say that US30 is bullish on the monthly and the weekly time frame. In that case, you can go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can see that we do have this daily demand as our first option, because the price is bullish on the monthly time frame, it's also bullish on the weekly time frame. So on the daily time frame, you'll have to look for fresh daily demand zone. Okay, so let us refine our daily demand zone here for a low risk and high reward entry, which is within our daily demand zone there. So as you can see, I already found the zone here on US30 on the 1 hour time frame with a very strong bullish move here away from our zone. So as you can see that the price is a bit far away from our demand zone. As you can see, the price is far away from our demand zone. So the question is, how long will we wait for it to come back to this area here? So for us to be on the safer side, you can also look for a supply zone. As you can see that the price is higher on the curve. It's further away from our potential daily demand zone, but it's closer to our potential supply zone here on the daily time frame, which is this daily supply zone here with a strong significant bearish move. Okay, so let us look for a fresh supply zone which could cause the price to turn to the downward side. Okay, so let us refine it from the 4 hour time frame, because you can see that the price is higher on the curve, it's closer to the supply zone, unlike it's further away from this demand zone here whereby the trend is bullish. Okay, so there is our zone, which is this drop base drop here. It's kind of hidden. Okay, it's kind of hidden. Usually the best zones do not look that much simple as we are used to. So you can see we do have a drop base drop here, drop base drop with a strong significant move away from the price. As you can see, this drop here, so you can delete the daily supply. So that's our supply zone on US30. So we should expect the price to cause a sell, I think, to turn here, to sell to the downward side. Let's move to the next pair. So I'm currently on GBPNZD. So GBPNZD will firstly start on the monthly time frame. As you can see, GBPNZD on the monthly time frame, it's currently rejecting from this monthly supply zone here. As you can see, we had a rally based drop supply zone. Price came to react for the first time, second time, that reaction. As you can see, there's been reacting from the zone. There's been dropping from the zone. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, you can also see that the price is rejecting from this weekly supply zone around this area here. As you can see, we had that kind of a drop supply zone. Price came to react for the first time with this week, react for the second time, and you can see that it has been dropping. And you can see that we have opposing daily weekly demand zone here. So as long as the price hasn't reached this daily weekly demand zone here, we are still safe for a bearish trend. Okay, so the fact that we determine on the monthly and the weekly time frame trend which is bearish, then we can go to our daily time frame to look for fresh daily supply zones on GBPNZD. So the first one that I found is this one here. Then we have this as our second option, daily supply. So you can see we have this supply here with a rally based drop within this week. Then the price is dropping away from it. So we'll have to refine this daily supply zone here as our first option because it is closer to the current market price. The objective is to get the zones closer to the current market price as possible. So firstly start on the 4 hour, go 3 hour, still no valid. So as you can see on the 1 hour time frame, I do see a rally based drop supply zone. Let me check the risk size. Good. As you can see, it's approximately 18 pips, which is lower than 20 pips. So we are on the good side, on the safe side. So that's our supply zone on GBPNZD. So that's our supply zone on GBPNZD, as you can see there. Then GBPUSD, I'm on the monthly time frame, as you can see. So GBPUSD will firstly have to check where the current market price is rejecting from. So GBPUSD, as you saw like last week, I did say that it's rejecting from an unknown level here, which is hidden on the weekly or the daily time frame. Okay, then we can also say that the price is within a monthly supply zone, which is not fresh. As you can see, this was a monthly supply zone with a drop. Price came to react for the first time, dropped away from the zone, second reaction, and so on. As you can see, the price has been consolidating around this area here. Okay, but for now it's bullish because it's rejecting from an unknown level here, and also the price just engulfed this bearish candle here, which gives us a bullish signal. Okay, let us check on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, you can see that the price is rejecting from this weekly demand zone here, which is hidden on the monthly time frame. As you can see, it's a strong rally based rally demand zone with a significant bullish move, which caused the price to go up. Then we can also say that the price continued going up by rejecting from fresher zones. As you can see, we had a drop based rally demand zone here. Price came to react with this bearish candle here and continued going up, engulfed this bearish candle, which is a signal for a bullish move. So you can see that currently the price is within a daily supply zone here, which is an opposing zone. You can see the price is within daily supply zone, which is an opposing zone, and it's within the monthly supply zone. Oh, sorry guys, it's within a weekly supply zone. Sorry for the confusion. It's within a weekly supply zone, which is an opposing zone to this weekly demand zone here. Okay, so let us check on the daily time frame what we have. So on the daily time frame, we'll have to look for a fresh daily demand zone for our bullish trend. So we'll have to look for a fresh daily demand zone. So as you can see, we do have this drop based rally demand zone. and price came to react to it for the first time, reacted for the second time, left a fresh zone around this area here, which might be a drop based rally. Okay, and you can see it engulf the supply zone here on the left. So let us refine our first option. If you don't find anything, you can look for another option on the daily demand zone. So that's our zone on GBPUSD. As you can see, I found it on the 45 minutes time frame. Approximately 18 pips, which means we are safe. So that's our demand zone on GBPUSD. So that's our demand zone on GBPUSD, guys. Let me check the last pair. So I'm currently on EURAUD. So EURAUD on the monthly time frame, you can see that the price is rejecting. Excuse me. It's rejecting from this monthly demand zone here. As you can see, we had a drop based rally demand zone with a bullish move away from price. Price came to react for the first time, and on the weekly time frame, price came to react to this weekly demand zone and continued going up. Then came to react to this fresh weekly demand zone. As you can see, it's rejecting to the upward side, so which means EURAUD is bullish for now. So in that case, you'll have to look for fresh daily demand zones. You have to look for fresh daily demand zone. So as you can see, I did mark this fresh daily demand zone here. As you can see, it's a drop based rally demand zone, pricing out from this bearish candle, as you can see, and we are waiting for the price to come in react. So when I refined it, I found our zone on so that's our zone on the 30 minutes time frame. As you can see, it's a very beautiful drop based rally with a significant bullish move away from price. We also have a QML here on the left. As you can see, it's a low, lower low, high, higher high. Let me mark them. It's higher high. So that's our QML on EURAUD. As you can see, it's in alignment with our demand zone there. So that's it for this week's video, guys. I hope you're all learning something in the videos. If you have any question, I did open the Telegram forum whereby we can discuss our setups and everything. We can give each other insights and everything, understand, especially for supply and demand. But all traders are welcome, all traders using all the strategies and everything. Okay, it's not about the strategy, understand. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please do make sure that you like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and family. For those who want to learn supply and demand, thank you again. I'll update you guys on Friday, maybe, if possible. I will record another video. Also planning to record another video on synthetics. There's another educational video that I'm planning to record also without analyzing. I just want to do educational video, understand. But I was planning to do it through a live stream, but I will discuss with you guys so that you tell me what's the most preferable way. So thank you. Bye.